First problem. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted by the translation of axis so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 where h square is not equals to ab. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted. Now we want to find the point that is which is the origin, which point the origin is to be shifted. We have to find that point. What is the condition so as to remove the first degree terms from this equation. Now here one equation is given. Now we want to remove the first degree terms from this equation. What are the first degree terms in this equation? This is the second degree terms, x square, that is second degree term. This is constant having no degree, and 2h, these are the constants having no degree. x1 y1 second degree term, by square second degree term, this is constant. 2gx first degree term, this is the degree is equals to 1 here, this is constant. 2f5 first degree term, 2f is the constant, and c constant, degree is equal to 0. This is the term with degree 0, degree 1, degree 1, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. So we want to remove the first degree terms from this equation. That is, we want to remove the x term and y term from this equation. Further, we want to shift the origin to some point. So what is that point? What is the concept? We have to find the point now. So this is the given equation. So first we take the origin is equals to alpha comma beta. Let alpha comma beta be the origin to which the point, let alpha comma beta be the point to which the origin is to be shifted. We are taking this is the point as the origin. Now what are the formulas in the translation of axis? First formula is small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. But what are h comma k? In place of h comma k we take alpha comma beta, that is small x is equals to capital X plus alpha and small y is equal to capital Y plus beta. Now to get the transformed equation, we are substituting these two values in the given equation. Then we get the transformed equation. And from this transformed equation, we have to remove the first degree terms. First degree terms means from the transformed equation, we are removing the x term and y term. That is, we must equate x coefficient to 0 and y coefficient to 0. From the equations, we have to find the values of alpha comma beta, which is the required origin point. We take the given equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Next we take the origin as alpha comma beta. Let origin be alpha comma beta, which is h comma k point. Now next we take the formula small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. And in these formulas we take h is equal to alpha and k is equal to beta. Now we are substituting these two values in the given equation to get the transformed equation. Therefore the transformed equation is a into x square, x is equal to x plus alpha whole square plus 2hxy, 2h x value x plus alpha, y value y plus beta plus by square, b into y value y plus beta whole square plus 2gx, 2g into x value x plus alpha plus 2fy, 2f into y value y plus beta plus c is equal to 0. That is, we substitute x comma y values in the given equation. Now we take the expansions a into x plus alpha whole square, that is a square x square plus b square alpha square plus 2ab 2x alpha. Next plus 2h into, we take the product of these two terms first, that is x into 1 xy, x into beta beta x plus alpha into y alpha y plus alpha into beta alpha beta plus b into y plus beta whole square. Again taking the expansion y square, a square value y square plus b square value beta square plus 2ab 2y beta plus 2g, multiplying these two values by 2g into x 2gx plus 2g into alpha 2g alpha plus 2f into y 2fy plus 2f into beta 2f beta plus c is equal to 0. All these values by a and all these values by 2h and these values by b. That is, First a into x square, ax square plus a into alpha square, a alpha square plus a into 2x alpha, 2ax alpha plus 2h into xy, 2hxy plus 2h into beta x, 2h beta x plus 2h into alpha y, 2h alpha y plus 2h into alpha beta, 2h alpha beta plus b into these three terms, b into y square, by square plus b beta square plus 2by beta, 2by beta plus 2gx plus 2g alpha plus 2fy plus 2f beta plus c is equals to 0. Now this is the transformed equation. Transformed equation means we substitute x is equal to x plus alpha and y is equal to y plus beta in the given equation. Now this is the transformed equation. Now what is the given question? To which point the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms from this equation. First degree terms means we want to remove the x comma y terms from this equation. So first we take the x term and y term and equating the quotients values to 0. So what are the x terms here? First I take the x terms from this equation. X terms is equals to x square, this is x square term, a alpha square, that is constant. Here we have no x and y term, so this is the constant. 2ax alpha, this is the x term. So first we are taking the term 2ax alpha. 2hxy, this is xy term, not x term. And this is 2h beta x. Again this is also x term, that is plus 2h beta x plus 2h alpha y, not x term. 2h alpha beta, not x term. 2by square, b beta square, 2by beta. Now this is 2gx, that is x term, 2gx, 2g alpha, 2f5, 2f beta plus c. Here so there is term. Therefore these are the x terms. Now taking 2x common from all these terms, that is 2x into what are remaining here, a alpha plus 2x, the remaining term is h beta plus 2x, the remaining term is g. So this is the x term. Now we take the y term. Y terms is equals to, so what are the y terms? So first we check the what are the y terms, which terms are there here, y terms. Ax square, a alpha square, 2ax alpha, xy, 2h beta x. This is y term, 2h alpha y, 2h alpha y. Next 2h alpha beta constant, by square, b beta square constant, 2by beta, this is the y term, that is 2by beta plus 2g alpha constant, 2fy, this is the constant, this is the y term, 2fy plus 2f beta plus c, those are the constants. Again here from these terms also we take 2y common, that is 2y into remaining terms are h alpha plus 2y, remaining terms are b beta plus 2y, remaining term is f. Now to remove the x and y terms, we must equate the x quotient to 0 and y quotient to 0. That is, to remove x comma y terms from given equation, we must equate x coefficient to 0 and y coefficient to 0. X coefficient is equals to 0 and y coefficient is equals to 0. So x quotient is equal to 0 means a alpha plus h beta plus g is equal to 0 and y quotient is equal to 0 means h alpha plus b beta plus f is equal to 0. Now from these two equations we have to take the alpha comma beta values. We have to find the alpha comma beta values. So to find, that is point of intersection of these two lines. So to find the point of intersection, here we have one particular procedure. We follow that one. For that first we take the middle values. What are middle values? H comma b. HP. Middle values, middle term coefficients. That is we take the values h comma b. And next we write the last values. That is g comma f. Next we write the first term coefficients, that is a comma ah. Again we take the middle values h comma b, that is First we take the middle term coefficients HB. Next we write the last values. Next we write the first values. Again take the middle values. And here we take alpha, beta, 1. Since these are the equations in terms of alpha comma beta, here we take alpha, beta, 1. And next we draw one line like this. It represents that first we take the product of these two terms. Now the next step is we take alpha by, take the product of these two numbers HF. Next take minus. Next take the product of these two numbers BG. So alpha by HF minus BG is equals to beta by, again we take the product of these two terms first, that is GH. Take the minus. Next take the product of these two numbers, these two terms, that is AF is equals to 1 by A into B, AB minus H into H square. So this is alpha term, this is beta term, and this is constant. So first we equate the alpha term to constant, and next we equate the beta term to constant. That is alpha by HF minus BG is equals to 1 by AB minus H square, comma beta by GH minus AF is equals to 1 by AB minus H square. That is alpha is equals to find the value of alpha, we take this term HF minus BG to this side. This HF minus BG by AB minus H square, and beta value is equals to, now we write this term at this place. This becomes as the numerator of this part, that is GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Therefore alpha comma beta is equals to, which is the required answer. So this is the required answer. Therefore alpha comma beta is equals to HF minus BG by AB minus H square, comma GH minus AF by AB minus H square, which is the required answer.